Okay, we have our head here. We've let the neck pieces dry good. So what we want to do is we want to round this down so it'll fit inside the body. First thing we have to do is we need to find our center on here so we don't lose that when we start sanding.
Talk to us about retirement today. Feel comfortable about tomorrow. Mass Mutual. Live Mutual.
Finding great candidates to hire can be like, well, trying to find a needle in a haystack. Sure, you can post your job to some job board, but then all you
So we mark our center spot there. Then we're going to take our punch here and put a hole, punch a hole so we don't lose our center when we start sanding. If you enjoy my videos, please like and subscribe on my YouTube page. I'd appreciate it. If you have any questions, enter my comment section and I'll get back with you. We've got a 2-inch ring here that we're going to mark our center. This will fit inside the body where we want it to fit.
The needle in the haystack.
See why 4 out of 5 employers who post a job on ZipRecruiter get a quality candidate within the first day. ZipRecruiter, the smartest way.
Now we're going to take all this out in here to round it down to this size. That'll fit inside the body. Thanks for watching.